Hello friends, welcome to VMS class. In this video, we are going to learn about a program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. I am going to use some standard leap year rules, not a complicated things. It's a very simple logic. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 400. Okay, if it is divisible by 400 or if it is divisible by 4, okay, but not by 100. A year is said to be a leap year if it is divisible by 400 or divisible by 4 but not by 100. So normally here we have three different kinds of expressions where you are going to check a number is divisible by 400 or operator divisible by 4 but not by 100. Okay, we are going to use a not operator also in this. So let's directly go to the IDLE and write the program. Take a new file. Now first step is you are going to take the year equal to int of input of enter a year. I am going to take the year from the user. Now let's write the logic using this statement. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 400 or if it is divisible by 4 but not by 100. So how can we write the logic here? With the help of if statement. If the year modulus operator 400, if this is divisible by 400 equal to 0. So if this year is divisible by 400 means the remainder is 0. If this remainder equal to 0 or another condition you have to take year modulus, okay, year modulus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, or this is another condition. Okay, and but it should not be year modulus 100 not equal to 0. It should not be divisible by 100, right? So that's why I am using the not equal to operator. Okay, here modulus 100 is not equal to 0. Then okay, we are going to say that print it is a leap year. Okay, it is a leap year. Else, okay, print whatever the year you have entered, it is not a leap year. Very simple logic. Okay, I'm not going to take the complex condition with the help of a simple statement. I am going to check the year is a leap year or not. Okay, let me save the program as program 10. Then execute this program. Run this module. Enter a year 2024. It is a leap year. Okay. Now let's execute this program one more time. 2023. It is not a leap year. Okay. So this program helps us in understanding the logical operators like OR operator, okay, and nested conditions in Python. Okay. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.